In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear wiper blade and arm on your Nissan Versa located on the back glass. On the back glass here, you have your rear wiper arm and the blade. You want to go ahead and locate this little cap right here, pop this up, and swivel that away. Right here, you're going to find a 12mm nut. You're going to use your deep socket and spin that off. Go ahead and remove that nut, set that aside. Once that nut is removed, you're going to go ahead and gently work the arm and pop that off. Flip up the cover here. You're going to slide this down. You want to make sure that your wiper blade is pretty much in line where the old one was. Press it down onto the spline shaft. Install the nut. I like to thread that down as far as I can by hand. Now I want to go ahead and tighten that down. Once that's tight, snap the cover over. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.